Hi and welcome to the channel. Today we're going to do a nice, quick, easy, straightforward step-by-step guide of how to replace your dip beam xenon headlight bulb in your Mini Cooper S. So on the passenger side for a UK car, and the EU will be the same, I'd imagine. So click that little black tang there, which will release the bonnet. Then there'll be a bonnet release tab pretty much in line with the right hand side of the air intake scoop duct, just underneath here. You can lift the bonnet up slightly and then you're just going to push it upwards. So that's the tang, just pushing that, which releases the hook mechanism off the side of here. So to start with, you're going to remove this back cover, so you're just going to push down on that clip, push it backwards, and then at the bottom half it's just two locating pegs, so this cover will come off. Make sure the O-ring stays on the backing and doesn't fall down. So this is your xenon bulb and the connector piece just below it. So this is, as you can see, fitted sort of at the 12 and 6 position right now. So what we're going to do is get hold of it, counterclockwise turn ever so slightly to release it. So as you can see now, it clicks and it's at an angle. Just slowly pull this backwards and out from the headlight. Just be careful that you don't snap off the element inside as you're levering it out. Then it's just a case of pulling the connector piece off and replacing the whole unit. For this car, it is a D1S 35 watt bulb. When you have your new bulb assembly, make sure you don't touch the filament at all. Keep your hands and grease away from that, keep that nice and clean. When you come to connect this back up, there are numbers 1 to 4 on the connector and also 1 to 4 along the base of your new headlight bulb assembly. Make sure you line those up so you can quite clearly see 4 here and 4 here. So just connect those together, make sure it's secured. Now it's a case of feeding that back in, carefully trying not to damage the filament assembly. So once you've got the bulb in, I've just placed it sort of at the 10 o'clock position again, and you'll feel it, it'll locate nicely, it'll be flat, it won't rock or tip, so like now that's nice and secure. And at this point now, you know you're engaged into the headlight assembly. You're now going to turn it clockwise to the right hand side, back up to the 12 o'clock position, and you'll feel it a nice positive click. Bit easier with two hands, but yeah, it's now secure, locked in at the 12 o'clock position. You know you're good to go. It's now a case of just refitting that cover. So locate the two lower bits into the peg assembly, push down to secure. If you found this video informative and it's helped you out, please give it a like. Feel free to drop a comment also. Thank you very much for watching this video.